Hi there, students. To affix, a verb, an affix, a noun. So, to affix the verb, but an affix, the noun. Okay, to affix means to fasten, to stick one thing to another. I think the most common example of this is to affix a stamp to an envelope. Yeah, you affix it, you join it, you fasten one thing to the other. Okay, so he affixed his signature to the document. To affix, to attach, to add, yeah, to add something physically. So he affixed a kiss to the letter. So notice, to affix, but as a noun, an affix. Now, an affix as a noun, this is related to the word suffix and prefix. Notice, affix, suffix, prefix. An affix is a group of letters that you add to the beginning, to the end, to the middle of the word to give it a slightly different meaning. So all prefixes are affixes. All suffixes are affixes, but there are many others as well. So, for example, ly, pleasant, pleasantly. The ly is an affix. Yeah, so these are extra letters which create a different form of a word, and that is an affix. Yeah, an affix. So you change a word by adding extra letters to change it to give it a new word. So to pronounce, a verb, pronunciation, that ciation or the ation, that is an affix. Yeah. Okay, so to affix a label to a package, to affix a price tag to an item. You could affix the blame on somebody, to impute, to attribute the blame to. Yeah, you could affix your signature to a letter. You could affix a postscript to a document. You could affix a poster to a wall. So to attach, to join, to fasten, to stick, affix, or to add. Yeah, so he affixed his signature. You put it on. To attach or to attribute guilt or blame. So the guilt was affixed. Well, they always try to affix me with the guilt. Okay, so to affix a stamp to a letter, to affix a signature to a contract, yeah, and then to affix blame to somebody, to find a scapegoat. And then an affix as the noun. These are extra letters which change the meaning of a word. So possible to impossible. Yeah, possibly. That ly, possible. Yeah, these affixes, these are extra letters which just change it. And as I said before, you've got your prefix, your suffix, even an infix as well. Okay, so to affix, to attach, to join, to stick on, to paste, yeah, to attach, yeah, and then to assign blame, to affix blame to someone, yeah, to assign, to impute, yeah. Okay, so affix, to affix something to the wall. He affixed a note to the wall. He affixed a stamp to the envelope. Okay, so to attach, to join, to append, to add, to attribute, to attach. Yeah, and then this linguistic element. Establish, establishment. Meant is a derivational affix. Okay. So let's see, formality, to affix a stamp. 6.57 informality, using a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing or above. An affix, as in suffix, 6.5 informality again. So, well, we've got to do some origin as well, definitely. To affix from Latin, ad fixus, ad figere. Yeah, ad figere, add to, and this figere, to fix, to join. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To affix and affix.